Hello everyone, it's Ashley. Thanks for stopping by today. Today I have a sneak peek from Trinity Stamps' new release that will be released this Friday, June 26th. So in this video I'm going to show you how I put together the card after everything is colored, after everything is ink blended, what I do to put all the pieces together on the card and create a little scene. So I've already done all the coloring. I went through with a white pen and did some details on all the stamped images. On my cardstock, I ink blended the background for the water and the sand, and then I took a brush and kind of splattered some more on top of that. So that's where I am at this point. And now I am getting ready to put it all together. So the first thing I like to do is just start by putting out my stamped images where I think I want them. I'll lay them out and then I'll move them around several times until I kind of like what I'm doing. So for this one, what I'm thinking in my head here is I want to fit all three of those cute little guys, the octopus, the little crab, and the little fish that looks like a little balloon on this card. And at first I was thinking there's not going to be room for all of it. How am I going to make it all fit? But you'll see I kind of figure that out here. Next, I'm going to come in with glue and glue them down. I'm kind of doing it off the screen a little bit. This is just a Zig glue pen. It's simple and easy. It's just what I've been going to lately. I've been enjoying using it. I used to use it a long time ago when I was more of a scrapbooker, and then I discovered it again more recently. So next I'm adding in the little birthday stamped images to the card. And what I did beforehand was just stamp out everything or two of everything from the stamp set and color it in. And then I have many choices to use and to choose from for this card. Whatever I don't use, then I save for the next time that I'm going to use this stamp set. A good tip that I started doing a while ago that I wanted to share with you was sometimes I will lay everything out where I think I want it when I'm building a scene without adhering it down, and then when I have it how I want it, I'll take a picture of it with my phone, and then I can take it all off, and then I can reference my phone to see where I need to put it when I'm gluing it down, because nothing ever wants to stay in place when you have it all ready to go. And so if you think that's something that would work for you, I would give it a try. So now I'm adhering down all the coral and seaweed pieces and the little rocks where I want them. A little design tip, if you don't know this, is everything looks pleasing to the eye in 3s and 5s. If it's odd, it looks pleasing to the eye. So that's kind of why there's like 3 animals on this scene, and then there's like the 3 seaweed coral pieces I put together, and then I'm just trying to see what I can fit on the other side. I end up putting that little rock on that side. But that's like a nice little tip if you're struggling with your layout. It's something that I reference a lot of the times, and if you're just playing around, try it out. Take 3 stamped images and kind of put them out, or 5, and see what that looks like versus using 2 or 4. It really does make a difference. I mean, there's no right or wrong answer when you're doing card making, but if you're kind of having that struggle of, something's not looking right to your eye, try that. So this stamp set, if you can't tell, kind of has a birthday undertone theme with the sea life theme in it. I can't give away all the secrets of the stamp set, but there's a balloon in it as well, as you can see. And so I just put the balloon down and hand drew a little line going behind the octopus. And here I am struggling to see where I want to put a couple more stamped images. You can see I'll put things down and then I'll quickly take it up if I don't like it. In that corner right there that I keep going back to, I want to put something back there, but I think that piece of kelp maybe is just a little too bulky for that area. So I'm just trying to see what I can fit in. Sometimes if I have it all colored and right there, I'm like, oh, can I fit? And try to fit everything in there. But sometimes less is more, and it's kind of cool to see just the background ink blending and paint splatters too. So as you can see, I end up adhering things down and taking them away. You can do that if you work quickly, and nothing will tear your page then if you don't stick it down super hard. So I'm just finishing up this little scene here, putting down the last pieces that I want on there. Once I'm done with this, what I would normally do was I would normally go in with my white pen at this point and kind of add details, but I did that beforehand just because I wanted this video to kind of be scene building specific. I love that little blower on that little fish. Another cute thing to do with some of these, maybe the fish and the crab, is to use googly eyes on them. That would be really cute. You could even do it over the little eyes on the octopus as well. That would be cute to give to a child for a present. So next I just wanted to kind of show you some of the really cool embellishments that Trinity Stamps has right now. Some of these are fairly new. So I will have the names of all of these listed below in the description along with links. I just wanted to show you all these. These would all be excellent choices for under the sea theme or beach theme cards. They're so fun, and I don't think you can beat Trinity's embellishment collection. So I've started laying some of these down, and I also use the tidy tray, which is that little tray on the side with a Trinity T in it. It's perfect for just kind of putting your embellishments into so you can get them. All of these embellishments come in multiple sizes, so you can kind of part them and get the size you want, and then it has a nice little skinny opening to funnel it back into your embellishment container. So my next step is to place my sentiment. The sentiment that I chose for this stamp set is Birthday Fishes. Since I am going to stamp it directly onto the card and not put it onto a little piece of paper, I'm going to use my stamping platform just so I don't mess it up in these final steps. I trust this stamping platform a lot, and so I probably use it more than I need to, but it is very handy to have if you don't have one. I would definitely suggest getting one. So my last step in this card is just to add a little bit of shimmer pen to some of the stamped images, mostly little birthday images. This particular sparkle pen is from Spectrum Noir, and it's just a clear liquid with sparkle suspended in it, and I really enjoy using it. It's clean, it doesn't get everywhere, so it's a good pen, and I've had it for a while. It seems like there's a lot of sparkle in it. So I hope you enjoyed learning how I do scene building for my cards, and maybe you learned something or learned a new tip. If you like this video, please be sure to like and subscribe to my channel along with Trinity Stamps channel for a lot more inspiration and crafty fun. Have a great day.